Hello, welcome to Good Eaton Chefs. My name is Ben, and these are my sisters, Evie and Adeline. Today we're going to be making nuggets. Okay, first we're going to open the bag. Just kidding. We're making homemade nuggets. Evie?
I'm going to add some eggs, and then Ben is going to add the honey.
Now I'm going to add the honey, and Evie's going to mix it up. So now me and Adeline are going to add the spices to the breadcrumbs of the nugget. So Adeline has salt, garlic powder, and paprika, and I have pepper and chili powder. Now we're going to add them. Adeline, you can go first. Add the salt. I'll add the pepper. Add the paprika.
Yes.
Go ahead. Chili powder. And the garlic powder. And now we're gonna mix it. So the spice we added to the breadcrumbs, the honey will help the spice not be as spicy, so it'll help balance it all out, balance out the flavor. So now we're gonna make the breadcrumbs as an assembly. So Adeline's gonna plop the nuggets into Evie's egg bowl, and then she's gonna make sure it's covered in egg. Then she'll drop it into my breadcrumbs, and we're gonna mix it in the breadcrumbs and make sure it's covered. So if you have family at home and you want to make this meal, just gather whoever is willing to help and do this. Ready? Go! We have quite the mountain here.
Oops.
Yep.
And the last one.
Thinking of the chicken reminds me of the time Evie licked her fingers after when we were making the other meal. Phew. That was intense job. We should go fry these babies in the fryer, or pan, really. So now we're going to fry the nuggets we just coated. This is my mom. She is just gonna supervise the hot oil and stuff.
I'm not supposed to be doing that.
And over here, we're just going to put the nuggets on the paper towel when they're done. Yeah.
Just wait, Jen. Just wait, please. Alright. Take the one that was cooking. Put the other one, sit.
About 5 steps. These are my mommy and daddy. This is my mommy and daddy.
I'll plop them.
Once your nuggets are fried, grab some sauces and sides and
Let's face! What first? Blooper wheel.
hello. My name is Ben. Welcome to Good Eaton Chefs. Today we're going to be
Blooper!
Okay.
Don't crack the dragon,
Got it. There's one more little one under the.
You
Go ahead, Adeline.
trying to reveal the backstage movie magic?
Can I put some
Yeah,
in?
that's
My tripod
exactly.
down.
Can I put some in?
What? No, it was under that one.
Under this one? Oh, okay.
I wonder how we're supposed to get this to the next step.
I can't reach it. It's not coming
Watch, you can do.
Wow.
out. Wow. Wow.
Stop meowing.
Wow.
Chefs or cats?